Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how you can set video in CapCut PC. So I think this especially for those of you who are using CapCut PC for the first time because it is super simple. So after you finish editing the video, we're just going to click the export button, right? Can click export button top right corner and appears the interface like this, and you can change for the title of your project and select place. You can you can you can make as a place of your project, and you can change for the resolution, bitrate, frame rate, and etc. And you can also export the audio, but it's not with audio because as you can see there's no audio, and this is unavailable. Okay, you can just click export, so you can wait, you can open folder to see for the 7 years. That's it. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe. Thank you so much for watching.